If you have more than 1K follower on your TikTok account, then you are eligible for what I am about to tell you. You know, before, if you want to make money on TikTok, you have to go live or do this and do that. But right now, there are other features that have been introduced. So if you know you have 1K follower and above, then you're eligible to start making money with your TikTok. Yeah, there are some people who are already making thousands of naira, thousands of dollars on TikTok. I know you must have heard some people say this kind of word.
TikTok, they pay.
TikTok's paying. So now in this very video, I'm going to reveal the secret and how you can start making your money with 1K follower and above. So if you know you are new in this channel, please, I want you to smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release next video, you'll be the first person to see this. So let's go straight to my phone there. All right, so to start making money with TikTok, you must have more than 1K follower. So before you can do that, so you have to come to your profile here, come to this profile, then come to this place here and click on creator tools. Then once you click on creator tools, make sure your TikTok is on personal profile. Like my TikTok is on business profile. So this is a business account, as you can see. So just go to your setting, go to your account and switch back your TikTok to personal profile. Just click this to switch to personal profile. So once you are done, come back, then click on this four dotted line, come to creator tools, then scroll down, you will see work with artists. Click on this work with artists. There are many tasks that are here that you can do. So as you can see, other tasks, they are not available. So the available task is this very one, which is you must have been hearing this very popular song. Let me just play to your hearing.
If they're not ginger, you ginger yourself. Nobody clap for you, clap for yourself.
I know you ask me, how do you make money with this? Now, TikToks allow you to fix this sound on your video. Now, the more likes you get, the more comments you get, the more share you get, you make money from it. If you're in Nigeria, any view you get, you make 100 naira per view. So imagine you getting like up to 100K view. Now, if you click on it, you'll see the task and you'll see the duration. The duration is 26 October to November 1st. That is when it's expiring. You have to scroll down to check the requirement. You are required to meet each of the following and this and that. So the description is don't buy views and like or else you will be disqualified. So just let everything to be organic. And this is the sample of the kind of video you can do.
Why? If they're not ginger, you ginger yourself. Nobody clap.
So such kind of video is what you can do. So at least 8 seconds of video. Then once you want to do it, just come and click on this, use this track, then allow it to load. Then you just have to do a video. Take for instance this.
Why? If they're not ginger, you ginger yourself. Nobody clap.
Then once you are done, just do it like this and just next, then fill all your tags, fill all your hashtag and the rest and share it. Now, the more people are watching the video, the more views you have, the more likes you have, the more comments you have, the more money you make. So this is one of the way and one of the easiest way you can make money on TikTok right now. How do you check your balance? So I'm just quickly going to tell you how you can check your balance. Click on this place again, then come to settings. Then once you come to settings, you click, you see balance here. This is where your balance is going to appear. Whether you are going live or you are doing anything, this is where your balance is going to appear. I have different kind of TikTok account. I grow TikTok and I sell them. So I have withdrawn so many money from my other account. So I'm just growing this because this is my tutorial TikTok. I don't normally go live like that in this place. So this is how you make money with TikTok. One of the way you make money with TikTok. So if you find value in this video, I want you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Share this video. There are so many people who want to know how to, make money on TikTok.